Introducing the latest in our line of air fryer ovens, the GoWise USA Air Fryer Oven Ultra. This brand new appliance comes in 2 sleek colors and has a capacity of 12.7 quarts to let you cook for the whole family. Use one of 11 preset programs to take the guesswork out of cooking as you make fries, wings, steak, vegetables, and much more. Or take full control of your cooking experience with manual mode. Adjust time and temperature with ease using our intuitive digital display. The Ultra's oven light and glass panel let you monitor your food to your desired level of doneness. Dinner is ready when you are using our delay start and keep warm modes. Includes 11 accessories to help you fry, roast, toast, bake, or even dehydrate to your heart's content. We'll even throw in a recipe book to help you get started. With the GoWise USA Air Fryer Oven Ultra, your only limitation is your imagination. What will you make?
Y'all, it's Paula Deen. You know, I've really been enjoying cooking healthier, quick meals with my air fryer. But I tell you, when I need to cook family-sized portions, I need a family-sized air fryer. So I'm introducing my 9.5 quart air fryer exclusively for Amazon. And what makes this one so special is the single basket design, which allows you to cook larger portions of food to serve your whole family. Just place the food in the air fryer, set the timer and temperature dials, and that's it. I've made it simple by putting a handy guide on top that shows you the most common temperatures to choose from. When your food is ready, let me tell you, you're going to find it's crispy, juicy, and a whole lot healthier than anything cooked in a deep fryer. My favorite, though, is it won't heat up your kitchen or leave a mess on your hands. I guarantee you're gonna love your new air fryer, and your family is gonna love the food you're cooking them. And I'm even adding 50 of my favorite recipes to get you started. And remember, you can only find it here at the Paula Deen store on Amazon. Love and best dishes, y'all.